What's up everyone? Last time I got this for to start, but it wouldn't stay on. So let's continue troubleshooting. The fuel pump fuse looks good, and I swap out the fuel pump relay with the defroster relay. If the fuse relay was blown, the fuel pump wouldn't get power and the car wouldn't start. Also, since the car stalled while driving, I reset the fuel pump cutoff switch just in case it was triggered by a pothole. Now let's start the car. Alright, I can hear the fuel pump running, but the car still won't stay on. This issue could be a bad mass airflow sensor. Bruh, you ain't finna believe what I found inside the mass airflow sensor. Check it out. It looks like a bug or debris got stuck inside the hot wire, likely affecting the airflow readings. Let's clean the sensor and put everything back together. And now the car stays on. Thanks for watching you guys. Like.